Alright, so today we have the MAJUNGASAURUS Primal Attack right here. Here's the fun facts DNA scan. So this one has a, if you swing the tail, it starts having its sound, go up and down, and goes. It works, but except for the jaw, it's not automatic, you have to do it yourself. Alright, so the reason why I brought this Dino out, because we're gonna check this box out. We finally have that rare Dino Reveal. We're gonna unbox it. Check it out. Whoops. Okay. Alright, can you see it? New. Nice Dino Reveal. Super cool. Okay, here we are. Look at that. Brilliant. Looks like it'll have a brown, white, and a little bluish color right there. So there's the side, and okay, it's kind of dark. Okay, so I'm fixing it. Okay, we don't want to damage the box because it's very unique. I'm gonna keep it that way. So we're just gonna open up this way. Do it here. Sadly, I didn't get the irritator yet. Probably some other time we'll get the irritator. Alright, here we go. We're going to peel it. It's not water this time. Alright, let's open it up. There we go. There. So it is the classic MAJUNGASAURUS. Didn't use the older one. Oh, sorry, the newer one. The one that MAJUNGASAURUS Major. So there you go. This will take a while to peel it. Look at the teeth. Alright, so let's start probably on the tail. A little messy here. There you go. Starting to peel. Just do that. Okay. There you have it. Start with the tail. And let me skip it a bit. It'll take a while. Okay, we're getting there. Tail's already turning brown. Let's rip off more of this coated, what plastic? Whatever you call this thing. Okay. Okay, I did the jaw already. It came off. Now we're going for the neck, and you can see the blue starting to reveal. It's kind of hard, all this bumps on its head. I might need a steel brush to peel this. Okay, it's getting there. Look at that. I guess I don't need a steel brush. There's the eye. Oh, you got an orange eye right there. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, we're on the last leg now. Grab the brush. Hopefully it works. Oh no, it's not working. Why is it working? We need a steel brush. I don't even damage it though. Okay, now that it's done, we're gonna compare it to the classic Primal Attack MAJUNGASAURUS. So, but first let's check it out. So you can see the difference. It doesn't have the hanging quills anymore, even at the tail. The classic one has this tail, and there is no neck articulation. There is no more sound. The tail actually moves left or right. So here's the original. It seems to be has a bigger body as well. It has a beefier body. The newer one has a smaller body now. Look at that. The difference. The head is actually different as well. Let's check. Look at the head sculpt. Totally different. You change it. At least they kept the little spikes on the back. However, the tails, look at this, totally. The tail sculpt is also different. You see the difference? The arms are still the same, still tiny. It has the little quills hanging. You can tell a little bit. The tail is definitely gone. Right there. But so yeah, that's pretty much it. Neck. Oh wait. Oh, it's the same. Yeah. So there you have it for today, guys. Our newest Majungasaurus from the Dino Reveal. Seems like a downgrade again. This is such a downgrade. It is actually smaller and shorter in length. And skinnier. Same as the neck. It's a skinnier neck. Alright guys, thank you so much. You guys have a great one now. We'll see you around again. Pretty well.